loose enough. Okay, at this point, since not all the bolts are the same length around that clutch cover, I've placed them so I know exactly which bolt go there. You can see on top some are longer, so at this point you need to be careful about our friends that know nothing about mechanic but always want to help. He will get close and he will kick these bolts. It will mix everything up, that's for sure. So be careful of that dude. Okay guys, so it's really doable. It took me about 20 minutes to get at this point. So from now on, it's the same process as what I showed you earlier, comfortably installed in the garage, except that you need to be careful not to lose nuts and bolts in the snow or in the mud, depending where you are riding. But from now on, it will be the same procedure. I won't bother to remove the clutch because today I'm removing that only for as an inspection, make sure everything is at the right place. I will measure my belt, make sure it's still in good condition. Having a look at that bearing, make sure it's not wearing out. Just by seeing that it's not really dirty in there, I know that my belt have not wear at the point where I need to replace it. Getting at this point took me about 20 minutes, so putting the cover back will be another 30. So let's say an hour and a half to do that job should be about right. So I hope this video will help, guys, and if you have any question, as usual, post them in the comment section below and I will answer to all of these as soon as possible. Okay guys, the tool you'll need to do that on the side of the trail are really minimal, and it's doable because I just did it. Of course, I'm in a garage, I'm not in the cold, in the rain, in the mud, but with these tools, it's doable. So first, you need a flat screwdriver to remove the boot and the vent from that housing. After that, you will need a T30 torque bit with a 4 inches extension on a 1/4 inch drive ratchet. That's for removing the clutch cover. After that, you'll be at the pulleys. You will need a breaker bar, a 32mm socket and a 36mm socket. That will be to remove both pulleys so you can reinstall a new belt. Here, it's a spanner wrench that I've made. You can buy one for like 60 bucks if you are in US and about 100 bucks if you are in Canada. I made my own simply because I have the material and it cost me about like 10 bucks to make it and some elbow grease. So these are the tools you will need to install a new belt on the side of the trail. No jack, no impact drive. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'd be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a good day and see you later. Bye.